In this video, I will show you how to set up Virgin Hub 5. So setting up Virgin Media Hub 5 usually takes from 10 to 30 minutes. And of course, you will need the Hub 5, a power cable, and a coaxial cable, which is the white cable from the wall socket. Since we need those things, make sure to have them before you start. So first of all, you would like to find a good location for the hub on your house. Just place the hub near the Virgin Media wall sockets in an open area or off the floor if possible, because you would like to avoid cupboards and enclosed spaces. So, first of all, we would like to connect the coaxial cable. Connects the white coaxial cable to the wall socket or the cable outlet, and screw the other end to the Hub 5 cable connector. If you have a modem, then a router, make sure to connect it to your modem first. And of course, make sure to tighten it securely. Then you would like to connect also the power cord of your router and modem as well if you have them both. And then you would like to wait for the hub until it gets activated. The hub may download updates, reboot automatically. It may take up to even 30 minutes to fully connect. So you'll have to wait until the lights or the status lights become steady and normal. If it's flashing, if it's something else, you'll have to wait. Once you're done with that, of course, you may need to go and connect your device. So find the Wi-Fi details on the sticker underneath the hub or behind it, or on the removable Wi-Fi card if it's included. Then connect your phone, laptop, and other devices if you have a smart TV and stuff like that. Of course, if you want, you can access the hub settings to change any settings or to configure your hub. You can open the browser and go to your IP, basically, which will be 18 or 192.168.0.1. And then you will have to log into the router settings password. You can change the Wi-Fi name and password if desired, and you can then test your internet connection. So yeah, you should be good to go once you're done with that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.